friends, this is the video of unboxing my Inter Advanced Accounting Study Kit given by All-Time CA, my mentor Mr. Parveen Sharma sir. So, I had already sanitized this box, and this is the process manual for watching the recorded lectures through Content Browser, and all the guidelines are stated over here. Next is my main book, in which all the solutions and all the questions of past year examinations are covered. Next is the register. This is provided because to know how to write in the main answer copies of our exams. So the size of these pages are of our essay answer sheet, so it gives us an idea how to write answers. Next is scanner, which has covered all the RTPs, MTPs and past year examination questions of previous years. So thank you for watching.